Okay guys, this is my 2007 Lexus GX470. So we're gonna be doing today is changing out the rear brake caliper. Basically, whenever I'm driving it, it's making a nasty grinding noise on this back right. And once I take the wheel off, you can kind of see the metallic flakes that it's been making. So I'll be changing out the right side. And typically you wanna do this on both sides. I'm broke. I can only afford one side right now, and then I will get to the left, you know, hopefully soon. But this one went bad first because of exactly the same thing. I only changed one side, but that was just due to ignorance and not necessarily cost. So hopefully soon I can get to that left side. But we're just gonna be tackling this one for right now, just so we can get this back on the road and not have to worry about damaging the caliper or anything like that. So let's get this tire off. Okay, so we're gonna be taking off these two bolts, and then there's a banjo bolt back here. What is that? I think these two caliper bolts are 17s. This back one is, what, 14 probably? I don't know, smaller. Probably 12. Oh. Swear to God, if it's a 10. So it's an 11 millimeter. But honestly, we're gonna take off this entire thing. So, what am I thinking? I'm not gonna take off these 17 mils. We're gonna take off these back ones that actually connect to the axle, or not the axle, the yeah, this thingy, whatever that's called. So let me grab my breaker bar, and then we'll go from there. Okay. Not a breaker bar, but whatever. That one's loose. Let's get this bottom one down here loose. You know what? I just noticed this brake line's kind of like hitting up against the hard line. Anyways, get this off.
Do voiceovers?
I'm talking right now. I'm like...
Oh, you just talk as you go?
Yeah, I just talk as I go.
We need to feature this ramen.
Oh, check that out. Oh my God.
Oh. I'll give you some of mine, sorry.
All right. Okay, so this is off. Now we just have to worry about kind of prying it up like that. And then I'll show you these pads here in a second, and I'll ooh. Ooh, we might be looking at some new brake pads. Dang. Okay, so we got that off. Then we have that banjo bolt we have to take off right back here. Let me see if I can kind of show you. Oh, you might be able to see it. It's this one right there. It's an 11 mil. And if you run this long enough, I guess we could take these out, huh? If you run this long enough, this one looks decent, but this one does not. Oh, fuck. Brother, that shit ain't good. Look at that.
I thought you took the brakes off already to look at the pads.
Well, I did, and I saw this one. I did not see that. That's a new, we need a new brake pad.
Which ones you have to go on both sides, right?
Yup.
Why
Love
is it
that.
running so much worse on one side?
Well, because only one side's compressing. Okay, I can't, can you, let me see. Yeah, okay. So loosen up that banjo bolt. It's gonna start leaking some brake fluid, so I'm gonna try to be quick with this. I got this little box here. Okay. All right, so that's done. I want to keep this washer. Honestly, you should probably replace it, but I ain't gonna. Okay. And then here's an OEM Toyota brake caliper. Let's see. Here's the part number. Right there. Okay. And then put that right there. That banjo bolt's gonna go right here, okay? Don't forget about that washer, dude. Come on. Come on, dude. Okay, so got that banjo bolt on there, good and tight. And then, so I kind of didn't show because I have the brake pads in there, but the brake on the back has this little notch cut out for where the banjo bolt bend is supposed to sit in. So just keep that in mind. And then also I was going to show you, you can definitely tell it's locked up. I mean, you can see all the metallic flakes. So I just put the old brake pads on there because I don't have any new brake pads, and I got to work with what I got. And yeah, so just don't do that, and you'll be all right. Okay, so now we're gonna put those 17 mil bolts on the backing plate back on. That's pretty self-explanatory. What's going on here? There we go. Get these holes lined up. Okay, what the hell? There we go. Got uno. Just tighten on up a little bit. Now the bottom one, a little bit easier. All right. Snug it down a little bit. Okay, so the new caliper's on there. Banjo bolts attached. One thing about banjo bolts, sometimes they leak and it's just so hard to get them tight enough to where they won't leak. So I just rotated the spacer, or the washer, excuse me, I should say. You probably should replace those. That's probably why I'm having that issue. But I just rotated it a little bit, loosened it up, and then tightened it back again, and was able to seal off pretty well. Also, you have to bleed your brakes, obviously. I won't show you that whole process, but I mean, you're just gonna have the key, have somebody in the passenger seat if you have an extra person, or not passenger, the driver's seat. Make sure the key's on the on position, and then bleed the brakes from farthest away. So passenger rear, driver rear, passenger front, driver front. So I won't show you that whole process, but we got these bled, and then I'll throw the wheel back on and go from there. Okay, we'll just throw this wheel back on. Get all my stuff out the way. Okay, 85 foot-pounds, like recommended, so that's what we'll do. Not very tight, honestly. I know I'm using extension and that probably messes up with the torque, but close enough. Okay, so just so you don't worry, I changed the brake pads literally the next day, but those things were absolutely done for. No wonder they were making a horrible noise. But yeah, those are changed, so we're good now. So yeah, overall, easy job. Nothing too crazy. You know, we got it done. So on to the next thing. Thanks for watching.